It takes a special person to do this job, to be there for complete strangers.
Position of attention is, heels are together, feet are at a 45-degree angle, your hands are closed, roll your shoulders back, tuck your chin a little bit, look proud, look sharp.
If I was a family member, what would I want to see? How would I want to be treated? And that's what we instill in them. They left the house that morning and now someone knocked on the door and said, "I'm sorry, your loved one's dead, they're not coming home." Now we're there to help them bridge that gap between their loved one's life as a firefighter and their funeral. It's tough, but you know you have a job to do.